Hi guys, this is for Android Noteshelf users. I've had two Android Noteshelf users have this issue. I've had many, I sell hundreds and hundreds, but if any one person has a problem, it's a one-off. But if I have two people that have a problem, I'm gonna make a video just because, 2%, two people out of 100, I'm going to make a video and help you, because if you have a problem, I definitely want to help. So let me back up. If you've ordered a planner from me or a notebook or whatever, and you're trying to download it and you're having a hard time getting it to download to Noteshelf, there's two things. Okay. The first thing is, don't use Chrome. I found one person, Chrome was the issue for them. Now, it could have been maybe they had an update, because I have lots of people that use Chrome and my test people that do it. That's no issue, but maybe it just wasn't updated for them. But that was the what got it to work for them. And the other thing is, I'm going to take you through this. So you're going to click to download your planner. Okay, and then you're going to say, yes, I want to go to Dropbox. Going to take you to Dropbox. Again, you do not need Dropbox to download it. It's just where I host my stuff. You're going to click to export. So you can click open in Noteshelf. Obviously, we went through that, and that should work fine. If it doesn't work fine, I recommend saving it to your files. All right, so when you save it, so we're going to save this. Now, I recognize I'm on an iPad, but it's all basically the same. All right, so I'm going to save it to my iPad, and I'm going to save it to downloads, and I'm going to rename it. Okay, rename the file. See how I'm renaming it? So I'll do that again. So when I clicked on downloads, and then here's the file name, I just tap it, rename the file to something like really short. All right, and then open that file. So we'll just name it 2023 DD. All right, so I'm going to save it. Now it's in my downloads and my files. And again, this is, where am I? Files on my iPad. Downloads. There it is. And you can see it's renamed. Now again, this is the iPad and you'll be on Android, but that was what did it for them. They just saved it, and when they saved it, they renamed the file to something super short. And they had no problem. And it was odd, I know, because they had purchased, they were a returning customer, and they never had an issue before, like when they were downloading to Noteshelf. And so, I don't know, I just threw it out there. I'm like, let's rename it. And because you know how computers and tech is, sometimes it's just weird. And so it worked. And so anyway, if they had an issue, maybe you would have it too. So that's just a tip from me to you. So I hope this helps. Thank you for your order. I appreciate it. And I hope you don't have any issues. Again, only like 2% of users have like a little issue with their downloads. So anyway, if none of this helped, contact me and I'll help. Have a great day. Bye.